Hi, my name is Cecilia.
Hi everyone, my name is Robin.
Hi, I'm Jack Dalton.
My background is in engineering and computer science. I studied electronics and computer science in my undergrad, and then I worked for a few years as a data scientist.
I started doing my undergrad in molecular bioengineering at Imperial, and then actually I left that degree after a year and transferred to the Australian National University. I was already living in Australia. COVID, it was not much fun doing university in the middle of the night. So then I ended up doing bioinformatics and synthetic biology.
I did my undergraduate degree at Imperial College in biochemistry. Fortunately, I had the chance to choose to do a year in research. In that year, I moved to Glasgow, where I worked as a research assistant in the Wellcome Centre of Enterotic Parasitology. After my degree, I did a master's at the University of Edinburgh in synthetic biology and biotechnology. It was like a long process, but once I got into the master's, was like, this is definitely what I want to do.
The CDT appealed to me because of the ability to try out different labs before you committed to a particular PhD project. I wasn't 100% sure what I wanted to work on, and so the CDT was a really appealing option. It allowed me to try out different things, different labs.
Also, another thing that attracted me to the CDT is just being part of a cohort, so being part of a team. In the CDT, everyone is at the same level. Collaboration is easier. There's like no intimidation of like contributing because you don't feel that you know more or less than other people.
Yeah, so far it's been really good. It's been nice to be both in Oxford and in Bristol, see what people are doing research-wise at both universities. Really broad mix of academics talking about a range of different research areas, which has really widened kind of my perspective on what kind of research I want to do.
So far it's been amazing. It's been about 3 months now. We've mostly had taught content, so a lot of classes, a lot of lectures, but on a very wide range of topics. So it goes from studying vaccines, to learning about cancer, to learning about genetic circuit designs, to learning about how AI can be applied to the field of engineering biology. And really, it's just been a lot of fun to be in the classroom and learn about all these topics from people who are really experts in the field.
I feel like very supported in very different in very different sides, I guess, throughout the CDT. Obviously, in the academic side, we have Lucia, we have Bob, we have Antonis, which are the program directors, and they ensure that we are exploring our projects and make sure that we're not lost. At the same time, the administration group, so you, Emma, like Joanna, Kat, they are also really good support.
We get lectures every day from different professors or postdocs, and all these people are always super happy to help. And of course the classroom is really small. There's only 13 of us, so it's really easy to ask questions and dive more into the topics and have a very tailored experience to what we want to learn about.
We're a very cohesive group. We really support each other. The biologists help the engineers with the biology things and the other way around. But even like outside of science, we're really good friends.
I hope to work kind of at the intersection of machine learning and directed evolution to kind of improve methods to evolve bacteria and other kind of biological systems to help tackle climate issues, kind of from biomanufacturing to carbon drawdown to bioremediation of environmentally polluted sites.
I'm really interested in the intersection between computer science, engineering, and biology. And mostly I'm interested in working on basically answering the question of how do we build experimental systems that allow us to engineer biology at bigger scales. So that means combining robotics in the labs with algorithms that run on computers and wet lab experiments in order to drive biology in the direction that we are interested in driving it towards, and essentially engineering better biological systems that will do the things that we want them to do. I really like both Oxford and Bristol. I used to live in Oxford before, so it's not new to me. But I think it's a really fun city. And then Bristol is a bigger city, but also really fun. There's a lot to do. And it's just been really nice to be able to explore a different city and live in a different place for, 6, 7 weeks